Welcome back. Today we're making church lady potato salad. Perfect recipe for church picnic, barbecues, family reunions, and just keeping around the house. Here's the ingredient list. Here's what I put in my potato salad sauce. I use Duke's mayo, chopped celery, onion powder, honey mustard, sugar, pepper, chopped eggs, and salad cube. I know some of y'all don't like celery and you can leave that out, but the mustard, sugar, and onion powder are non-negotiable. The recipe starts by making the chicken broth. The chicken broth is going to go in with the potatoes in the Instant Pot. Dice up your potatoes, peel and dice. And next, put them on the trivet in the Instant Pot and pour the broth on top. You're going to cook your eggs right in there with those potatoes. Put 4 eggs on top of the potatoes. Close up the Instant Pot and pressure cook for 5 minutes. Now let's make the sauce for the potato salad. You can make this sauce ahead of time if you'd like, and put all the ingredients in a stainless steel bowl, whisk it until it's creamy, and set it aside for the potatoes. Drain your potatoes after the Instant Pot is done, and cool your eggs in ice water for 5 minutes. They'll be ready to peel. And then chop up 3 of those and keep 1 for garnishing. Keep that one for slicing. Add your eggs into the sauce and mix it all up with a spatula. Don't forget to taste your sauce and adjust your seasonings. Add the sauce onto the potatoes while they're still warm and use a spatula to mix it all up. Look at that, doesn't that look good? To serve your potato salad, put it in a Pyrex or a bowl. Put your sliced eggs on top and sprinkle it with paprika, and you're good to go. The church ladies aren't going to talk about your potato salad. This is a really good recipe. Make it your own. You can change some of those ingredients if you like, but I think you're going to really enjoy this recipe. Thank you, and follow me on YouTube.